Good morning, Miss. How are you, Miss?
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes, good morning. Very, very good morning. Hi. Yes, I'm good. How are you
How
all?
are you?
Yes, I am good.
Fine, thank you.
Good
morning, Miss.
Okay, all of you mark your attendance. Okay. Mark your attendance.
Good morning, Miss.
Yes.
How are you?
Yes, I am good. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you.
Okay, have you had your breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All of you mark your attendance and take out your textbook. What did we learn in our previous class? We learned this.
That.
We use this, that. You know where we can use this? Okay. Mark your attendance. Don't forget that. Okay. Mark your attendance. Mark your attendance. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All of you take out your textbook. Page number 41 we completed now. Today, once again, I will explain for you where we can use this and that. This and yes. Do you know this and that where we can use? How we will use? Who will say the answer? How we will use this and that? What I said?
This
Near
this.
Object which are near, we will use this. Object which are far, we will use that. Okay. One, I will show you. It's Vaiga. See, it's Vaiga. Okay. Oh, once again. What is this?
This is a flower.
It's Vaiga. Okay. Look here. Vaiga is here. See. See, this only one flower. Okay. It's nearby. Very near to, it's Vaiga. Very near to Vaiga. Then we use this or that. This. T-H-I-S. Okay. Next. What is this, you know? Star.
That is a star.
Ah.
Star.
Eh?
That is a star.
That is a star. It is far. It is far away from us. It is far away from us. It's far. Look. It's far. Long arrow mark for far away. Long arrow mark for far away. Then we use that or this. That long arrow mark. It's arrow mark. Long arrow mark from far away. It is a far away from us. Star far away from us. So we have to use that. It's nearby. It's nearby flower. So we use this. Object which are near, we use this. Object which are far, we use that. Did you understand? This and that. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next page you can take now. These and those. Take out. Today we can, what did we learn in our previous class? Previous class we learned this and that. Now today we can study next page, page number 42. This and those. Oh, sorry, one activity is there. Now we can do that. Look at the picture. Enrichment activities, page number 43. Now we can do this. After that, we can study this or those. Okay. Did you understand what I said? First one, write this or that. Write this or that. Do it. First one, what is this? Look at the picture. What is this? First one.
Doll.
It's
doll.
okay.
This is a doll.
Eh?
This is a doll.
Doll. It's a doll. Write there this. Write there this. First one, write this. Oh, please turn off your mic. Okay, first one, this. This is a doll. T-H-I-S. This is a doll. Second one, long arrow mark. You can see long arrow mark means far away from us. So we have to use that is a bag. What is the picture? What is this? Bag. Bag. And third one, this or that. Very good. This is a pen. Fourth one, long arrow mark far away from jug. Last one, this is a book. Long arrow mark means like this. Long arrow mark means it's long arrow mark far away from us, not near, far. So we will use that. Okay. It's very easy, no? Any doubt? Any doubt? Does anyone have any doubt? Any? Long arrow mark means, you know, long arrow mark. Long arrow mark means far away from us. Long arrow mark means like this. Long arrow mark means far away. Far away from us means, far away from us means, far away. Far away means, do you know far away? Near? Far away, long, far away from us. Far. Object which are near, we use this. Object which are far away from us. If it is nearby, we use this. If it is far away from us, we use that. Now, we can study these or those. What is this? These or those? Take out your page number 42. Listen carefully. Then you can understand. This means singular object. One, only one. Singular. Singular means one. Single means one. Okay. Grammar portion. നന്നായിട്ട് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണേ. Grammar portion ആണ് മിസ് പറഞ്ഞു തരുന്നത്. So listen carefully. This and that object which are near, we will use this. Only one object. So we use this. Object which are far from us, we use that. Only one thing. Now this object more than one, not one, more than one. So these or those. Look at the picture. First one, buns. It's buns. Yes. These are buns. These are buns. Then how we use this? Look at the screen. I will teach you. Today we can study this. This, those. 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 Where we can, how we will use this or this? How we will read this? This. THESC. This. And it's THOSC. Those. These. Those. How we will read? These. Those. You know. How we will use these or those? Look at the screen. It's one flower. It's two flower. It's how many flowers are here? How many flowers?
Three
Flowers. Not only one. How many? 3 flowers. Object, how many? Not only one. Many. Only one person or one thing. One person or more than one means more than one means ഒന്നല്ല ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ എണ്ണം വരുമ്പോ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയണം? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് നിയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ we will use these are flowers. These are flowers. Okay, these are flowers. These are flowers. Okay, next, object which are far from us, long arrow mark far from us, we will use those. These and those. Those means long arrow mark means far away from us. Object more than one we will use. Object more than one we will use these and those. Those means far, we will use, how we will say, far away from us. Okay, children. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ മിസ് പറയുന്നത്? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ, മോർ ദാൻ വൺ മീൻസ് ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, നമ്മൾ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് നിയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ we will use these. Okay, object far away from us, then we will say those. Okay, long arrow mark, you can see one arrow mark is here. Look at the picture, then you can see long arrow mark means far away from us. നമ്മളിൽ നിന്ന് ദൂരെ നിൽക്കുന്ന സാധനത്തിന് നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ പറയും? Those are. Okay, we will use those. More than one, not only one person, one thing, one animal, we will say this. THIS, this. Far away from us, that. THAT, that. Now, more than one. More than one means ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് far ആണെങ്കിൽ, ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് far away from us, we will use those. ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് near more than one, ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത് ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ we will use these. മനസ്സിലായോ? Did you understand? These or those? You can see, look at the picture, then you can understand. See, these are bananas. These, THESE, these are, we will use these. These are bananas, not one banana, more than one. How many banana? Look at the picture. How many banana? How many? Four banana. Four banana. Four banana. So we use four banana. So we use these. These, not one. If one means we can use this. More than one, we will use these. Did you understand? Then second one, look at the picture. Caps is there. Not how many cap is here? Two. Then near or far? Long arrow mark. Look at the picture. Long arrow mark far away from us. Far away from us. Then we will use those. We will use those. 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 Next one. Objects near. Not one. Many objects. How many birds? 3 birds. So we will use these are birds. These. Object far away from us. Look at the, see? Long arrow mark you can see. Long arrow mark means far away from us. So see it. So those are it. Next one. These are birds. Did you understand, children? Look at the picture. These are bunch. First one, how we will read? These are pens. Next, fruits far away from us. So we will say those are, means not only one. Many, more than one is many. Okay. Singular object, not singular object. More. You can see. If it is far away from us. Far away. Long arrow mark means far away from us. Not only one object, more than one. So see, not fruits. Banana, grapes. So we use though. We will say those are fruits. Second one, these are toys. Those are cows. Who will read this? Adisri, turn off your mic, Molo. എന്തൊക്കെയോ സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നു മോളെ. മക്കൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായോ? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ദിസും ദാറ്റും ദീസും ദോസും ചേർത്ത് പറയേണ്ടത് എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ? പറഞ്ഞു. എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലായോ? ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ മക്കളെ? These, those. Look at the screen. Once again, I will explain. T-H-E-S-E. How we will read this? Say.
These.
And this, how we will read this?
Those.
Those. What is this?
These.
What is this? Look at the picture. What is this? Long arrow mark. Long arrow mark means far away from us. Long arrow mark means far away from us. Look at the picture. Then you can see one arrow mark is here. What is this?
Those.
Okay.
Those.
Those. Not those. What is this? I am asking. Arrow mark. What is this? See. T-H-E-S-E. This. T-H-O-S-E. Those. T-H-E-S-E. This. T-H-O-S-E. Those. Did you understand? These or those. Did you understand, children?
Yes.
Any doubt? Ask me. Singular object, plural object. Did you understand? Singular and plural.
Yes. Yes.
The only one person, one thing, one animal object, we will use this. Object far away from us, we will use that. Today we can study, we learn this and those. More than one person or animal or object, we will use this. Near us, we use this. Far away from us, we will use those. More than one person, animal or things, object, we will use this. Because near us, we will use this. Far away from, we will use those. Okay, more than one, not only one. If one means we will say this, and object far away from us, we will say that. Object more than one, ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് നിയർ ആണെങ്കിൽ we use this. Object more than one, it is far away from us, we use those. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt? Ask me. I will help you.
മിസ്സേ ഷാസിൽ വായിക്കാം.
Okay, read, Shasil.
These are those are
Fruits. What happened to you? Net problem, I think. Next, who will read?
ഞാൻ വായിക്കാം.
Okay, read.
These are bunnies. Those are these are toys. Those are cows. These are apples. Those are orange.
Okay, next Adish.
Duck.
These are ducks.
Those are peacock. These are candle. Those are
caps. Okay, next Nuha Asmin. Okay, Nuha Asmin. Ebin Biju, turn on your video.
These are
A-R-E, R. Very bad. Mic on ആക്കി വെച്ചിട്ട് പിന്നെ സംസാരിക്കുക parents. Why? Nuha, turn on your mic. Okay. Listen here. T-H-E-S-E. T-H-E-S-E. These. A-R-E. R. B-U-N-S. Buns. How we will read? These are buns. Full stop is there, so stop it. These are buns. Like that. Next. T-H-O-S-E. T-H-O-S-E. Those. A-R-E-R. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Those are fruits. End with the full stop. You can see. So, stop it. Okay. Okay, Nuha Asmin, continue.
These are bunch.
These are toys. Okay, Lubaba, you can read now. Lubaba.
Yes, Sonia. These are bands. Those are fruits. These are toys. Those are cows.
Aisha Amana, now you can read.
These are
Lubaba, stop. Aisha Amana, turn on your mic.
These are buns.
No. These are apples. Lubaba നിർത്തി എടുത്ത് വെച്ച് വായിക്കുക.
These are apples. Those are
orange.
orange.
These
are ducks. Those are
peacocks. Vidyut Ram. Okay, enough, Aisha. Aisha, enough. Vidyut. Turn on your mic, Vidyut.
These are
birds.
These are candles. Last one. These are candles. Those are caps. Okay, Vidyut, you can start now.
These are toys. These are apples.
വിദ്യുതിനെ കാണുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. നെറ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം I think. വിദ്യുതേ. Okay. Read Vidyut.
ഇങ്ങനെ പറ.
These are buns. Those are fruits. വായിക്കും മോനെ.
ഇങ്ങനെ പറടാ.
Turn on your mic.
Those are.
Okay.
Rose.
Those. Those. These. These. Are.
These are apples.
These are apples.
Those are orange.
Riyan TP. Okay, enough Vidyut. Riyan TP. Riyan. Turn on your mic, Riyan.
These are ducks. Those and cocks. These are
candles.
Those are
caps. Okay, Abel Sindo. Mone, turn on your mic, Mone. Okay.
These are buns. Those are
fruits.
These are
toys.
Those are
cows. Okay, enough. Ivan Joseph. Turn on your mic, Ivan.
Right. These are buns. Those are
fruits.
These are toys. Those are cows.
Okay, enough. Aiden Thomas. Aiden, turn on your mic, Aiden. Ivan, okay, good, Ivan. Aiden Thomas, turn on your mic. Aiden, എവിടെയാ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നേ? Aiden, എവിടെയാ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുന്നേ? ക്ലാസ്സിലല്ലല്ലോ. Read.
This is a bun.
No, this is a bun. No. These are buns. Hmm.
Those are fruit.
Hmm.
These
These are hmm, toys. T-O-Y. Toys.
those are
Hmm. Cows. Enough. Okay. Sahal. Sahal. Sahal.
These are apples.
Hmm.
Those are orange.
Hmm.
These are ducks. Those are peacocks.
Hmm?
These are candles.
ഇതിപ്പോ UKG ആണ്.
Those are caps.
ഇപ്പോഴില്ല. Okay. Eden J. Matthew. You can read now. Eden. Sahale, good morning. Good. Eden.
These are buns.
Hmm.
Those are fruits.
Hmm.
These are toys.
Hmm.
Those are cows.
Very good.
Those are orange.
Okay, enough, Mone. Enough. Fatima Jabir. Turn on your mic.
These
Hmm.
are
Hmm.
buns.
Hmm.
These
Hmm.
are
Hmm. Hmm.
fruits.
Hmm.
These
Hmm.
are
Hmm.
toys.
Hmm.
These are cows.
Hmm.
These
Hmm.
are
Hmm.
apples.
Hmm.
Those are
Adia. Okay, enough. Adia. Time 1 minute കൂടെ ഉള്ളൂ. It's time to wind up. Just you can read now fast. Adia.
These are this. Those are pizzas. These are candles.
Ebin Biju. Okay, enough. Ebin Biju. Ebin. Okay, Adia, good. Okay, Adia. Ebin. വേഗം വായിച്ചേ മോനെ.
These are buns.
These are buns.
These are fruits.
Those
These
are
are
fruits.
These are toys.
These are toys.
These are
ആരാ help
toys.
ചെയ്യുന്നേ?
Those are